Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA X30 and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system option. Let's tap on it. Now we have to enter the gestures and on the second position we've got the system navigation, so let's tap on it. And as you can see we've got only two different options from which we can choose. Of course one of them is 3-button navigation, which we've got currently applied. Unfortunately, as you can see, you cannot customize this mode here in this device, so basically you can use it just like it is right now. And if you'd like to set the gestures, just tap on this option. And as you can see here, we've got the animation, which will show you a brief summary of how to use the gestures. But of course, no worries, I'll show you later on how to use them properly. Of course, it also shows how to use them properly, but I will explain everything. As you can see here, we've got the settings icon, which simply means that we can customize it. And after entering, you can customize the option swipe to invoke assistant. It's up to you if you want to have it turned on or off. And here we've got the back sensitivity, and a quick disclaimer, I highly recommend to use the gestures for a while, so for example for a week, and then come back to this option, because thanks to this you can change the area which will be responsible for your back touches, so back motion, back gestures. So after a while of using the gestures, you will be able to decide if you need this space to be wider, or it can be set on low. It's up to you, and as you can see, you can set it on both sides. Alright, so now how to use the gestures. It's quite easy. If you'd like to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger from the side of your device to the center, just like that. And I hope that you could saw that arrow. And it doesn't really matter if you will do it from the left side or the right side. As you can see, it works the same. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, then all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up fastly from the bottom to the center of your device, just like that. Just a quick short motion here. And if you'd like to open the recents, so previously opened apps, all you have to do is to simply repeat the gesture, but this time elongated. So start from the button and end somewhere here, and you can keep your finger in this place, just like that. And after releasing, you can see that here we've got the recents. So basically that's all. This is how to set the gestures in your NOKIA X30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.